Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 2008. This car comes with a lovely specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, satellite navigation and rear parking aids with a rear colour camera. You've also got dual zone climate control as well as cruise control. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.